Stop by and take a look at the 2022 Suburban. This vehicle is powered by a rear-wheel drive, 8-cylinder, 5.3-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 65,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, tire pressure monitor, tow hitch, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, remote engine start, power lift gate, brake assist, traction control, stability control. Inside you'll find navigation system, backup camera, smart device integration, keyless entry, rear AC, satellite radio, auxiliary audio input, keyless start, premium sound system, steering wheel audio controls. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.